Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Touring Reviews. In this video we are going to have a look at the Giro Synthe helmet. This is a version without multi-directional impact protection system. So as the first advantage would be the weight. According to the manufacturing specification website, is 262 grams, and for me, once I put it on, I barely noticed it, so that's a big plus. In terms of adjustability, we have this system so that we can make adjustments for the sides. We have this one, we can move it up and down if needed, and this micro click system which controls the circumference of this system that comes in contact with your head. In terms of padding, the padding is really minimalistic. We have this one here and this one here. And the good part is that it's Velcro attached, so it's easily removed and washed once it requires to be done so, or when it's wearing out, you can buy it separately, so you don't have to change the whole helmet. As you can see, there are many ventilation channels across the whole structure of the helmet. That's very handy in summer. And something special about this helmet is the fact that the structure of the helmet is not in the center of the skull. And for me that's very good, because my skull is not perfectly round. It has like a bit like this over shape when the two parts of the skull come together. So that really, this design really helps with the alleviating of the pressure on that part and basically discomfort. That was the main reason why I purchased the helmet, because I had not that good of an experience with previous models of helmets. Okay, so the only drawback that I would mention is that this system that comes in contact with your head, once you wear the helmet, it gives the impression of the hair that it has like the rapper's cornrow basically. So the whole hair is full of places where the hair is up or down. So it's like in waves. So if you wear the helmet and then you go to have a coffee or a drink at the side bar or restaurant, yeah, people will probably look strangely at your haircut. But that's the only reason that or the only drawback that I saw with this helmet. So would I recommend it? Yes, definitely, and not only for the advantages that I just mentioned, also because of the impact protection that it provides. So this is my first Giro Synthe helmet. As you can see, I had a crash with it. I went downhill. It was a good thing it was on grass. The rear tire didn't have enough grip, so I ended up going over the handlebars and directly on the head. The friend that I was with said, you know, I thought based on the impact that the whole helmet would have shattered. As you can see, it's still strong. That there is no flex in it, no nothing. And yeah, I'm very happy with this helmet. So thank you very much for watching. If you found the video helpful, as always, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.